Hey everyone, PokeMAX here, and today we are actually outside, so the lighting should be good, so I hope you like that. I also hope you like this video. Today I found a pretty old, I would call it vintage, copy of Pokemon, the first movie, Mewtwo Strikes Back. And I love, so this is pretty old, and it is technically used copy, but it's in very good condition, and I'll get into that in a second. But I also have a Evolutions booster pack I thought would be appropriate to open today, and we also have another Sun and Moon Unbroken Bonds blister pack. But first, I want to start with this book. I would call this vintage. It is technically used, but it's in essentially perfect, near mint condition. And I may read it one day, but I saw it at Value Village. That's like a thrift store here in Canada, and it was $2 Canadian, and I thought that is very cool piece to add to my collection. And I really like the movie. I remember seeing it in theaters back when I was a kid, and I also really like the sort of remake Netflix did. You should be able to find it on Netflix. Mewtwo Strikes Back Evolutions, I believe they called it. And it's like a 2019 updated Mewtwo Strikes Back 2, almost. It's very cool. Go check it out. And also inside comes with some artwork, some pictures of the artwork from the first movie, the original first movie. And just flipping through this, you can see it looks like a pretty easy read. So like I said, I will probably read this for fun. So not a whole lot more to say about this book. I am very excited to have found it. Let's get right into this Evolutions pack. Oh, we got a Blastoise. Very cool. Evolutions is one of my favorite sets to open. So, here we go. Card for you guys. 3 to the front should put the rare in the back, starting with a Magmar, Energy Retrieval, Blastoise Spirit Link. Is that a sign from the Blastoise pack? Magnemite, Ghastly, Poliwag, Voltorb, Weedle. Oh, whoa. Blastoise Spirit Link Reverse Holo, and a Farfetch'd. Not great. Not great. Hopefully we can do a little better in this second blister pack of Sun and Moon Unbroken Bonds. Let us see if we can get, oh, very nice pack art. Let us see what we can do. Second pack here today. So, a code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front, And starting with a Water Energy, Hitmontop, Glysacore, Frogadier, Venomat, Spearow, Jigglypuff, Krabby, Riolo, Drowsy sitting in a tree, reverse, and the rare is a Porygon Z holographic, and that's actually very nice and one of my favorite Pokemon actually, so it's not the best pull, but I will definitely take that. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a like and look out for some future videos.